If you're watching this, I already know what happened. You looked in the mirror, saw a dark spot, and your skin said, "Remember that pimple from 2021? Yeah, I'm still here." So I went on a mission to find a real dark spot product that actually works. And that's how I ended up trying Numbuzin. Number 5. Glutathione TXA Advanced Dark Spot Ampoule Concentrate. And trust me, if you're dealing with post-acne marks, uneven tone, or stubborn discoloration, this one is worth talking about. First, let's get into the why this works part. Because I'm not here to sell you dreams, I'm here to save your face. This ampoule uses a combo of glutathione plus tranexamic acid, also called TXA. Glutathione is known for helping skin look brighter over time, while TXA is commonly used in skincare to help fade discoloration and dark spots gradually. So basically, it's like a teamwork duo for your skin. One helps brighten, the other helps calm down those annoying leftover marks. And they didn't stop there. It also includes niacinamide, which is great because it supports skin clarity and more even-looking tone. So if your skin tone is acting confused, niacinamide is like, "Okay everyone, line up." Now, real experience time. The texture is lightweight, absorbs fast, and layers easily. It doesn't feel greasy or heavy, which I love because some serums feel like you dipped your face in cooking oil. But, warning, this product has a strong sulfur-like smell. And yes, it's real. The brand literally admits it, and I respect that honesty. When I first used it, I was like, why does my skincare smell like boiled egg? Good news. The smell fades after a bit. Results? Here's the honest truth. This is not an overnight miracle, but with consistent daily use, it can help dark spots look lighter and your skin tone look more even over time, especially for post-acne marks. So, should you use it? If you want a fast-absorbing dark spot ampoule with strong brightening ingredients, yes. If you hate any kind of strong scent, you might want to think twice. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description, bookmark it, and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.